Okay, if I'm blocking the wind, oh, now the wind is affecting, but you can see I am hands-free. Oh, look at that, now it stopped, right? I am hands-free right here. Man, what a sweet helicopter. I mean, really. Look at that. It is actually performing much better than I expected. I thought I would be struggling on the radio sticks to fly it around, but look at that. Even with winds, it's actually flying absolutely brilliant, man. Okay, helicopter is ready, and now I see some winds just started. I'm trying to figure out if you can see. Hold on. Where do we look? Yeah, if you focus on the trees right there, you can see the branches are moving. Okay, and that shows there is some wind. Right now I don't have any kind of thing to show you. Let's do an experiment just to show you how much wind is around. So this is a tissue paper in my hands. Okay, and ta-da-da. Okay, so there are some winds. Let's see how it behaves. Okay, here we go. In low dual rates mode. Okay, it had a little bit of that glitch, I would say, for the altitude hold, but now in the low flight mode you can see against the wind I am still able to go forward without any issues, and as soon as I leave the sticks it just shoots backward and keeps drifting backward because of the winds. But as the wind is coming, I push forward and it has no issues actually going around. Man, so this is not just your indoor toy, you know, this is your outdoor toy as well. And look at that, I'm flying in low dual rates mode. Okay, so now as you can see, switch to high dual rates and I have much more speed to fly it around. I didn't know it can get this fast actually. Look at that. And I'm not pulling full forward yet. Okay, so let's test. It's a crosswind, so I'm just gonna come from here to forward, full forward this time. Okay, the altitude dropped at high speed. Hey, where it is? I cannot see it. Okay, it has that tendency of pitching the nose back sometimes, not all the time. So now I'm coming full speed. Instead of going forward, it pitched the nose back. So if it gets very fast, it pitches the nose back. But if I don't do full forward, I'm able to fly it at a very good speed, as you can see right here. Man, what a sweet helicopter. I mean, really. Look at that. It is actually performing much better than I expected. I thought I would be struggling on the radio sticks to fly it around, but look at that. Even with winds, it's actually flying absolutely brilliant, man. ESky, you have a winner right here. What a sweet scale helicopter, man. Look at that. Superb. Okay, low dual rates as the winds are much more calm now. Still there are winds, but watching that it can fly with low dual rates even. Look at that, beautiful. I have no issues at all controlling it. And I will just leave it here and let it drift. Look, this is how it drifts with the wind. Okay? And actually it stopped here, given that the wind gusts are less, not much force on the wind right there. So it's almost a stop, but still drifting backward. Now hovering, going forward. Nice. I'm just holding the radio. Look at that. It's over there. So let me bring it closer and show you how it can be hands-free. Of course, wind will push it back, but let me block the wind. Hold on. Okay, if I'm blocking the wind, oh, now the wind is affecting, but you can see I am hands-free. Oh, look at that. Now it stopped, right? I am hands-free right here. So it's really very stable, and it can, of course, handle winds. It's proven right here in this video. Not with this video, in this video. What happened to my language, man? I gotta go school again. Still flying it, having fun with it. What a sweet, superb helicopter. So people, not just indoors, but outdoors also, you can have fun with this sweet little EC135 ESky EC150 or 150 EC. All right, so I'm gonna land next to the big choppers so you can see the size comparisons. Oh, okay, just landed very close. Okay, check this out. And here you are. Look at that. It's barely, it's gonna actually fit inside the canopy of Flying Huey UH1. Alright people, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a big like. Stay subscribed to my channel, hit that little bell icon and turn on all the notifications because you don't want to miss the flight of new Huey UH1 V3. And of course, the Airwolf I have to test. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.